Hi, Matt Watson here from CarWow. So I'm sitting in a BMW M3 competition all-wheel drive, and next to me is another BMW M3 competition all-wheel drive, because we want to see which colour is quickest, black or yellow.
You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
That's not true. What we're really doing here is comparing a stage 1 tuned M3 competition all-wheel drive against a standard car. Let me tell you about this thing. It's got the same 3-litre straight six twin turbo as that car. However, instead of the normal 510 horsepower and 650 newton meters of torque, it's now got 600 horsepower and 750 newton meters of torque. That's because the guys at Wrench Studios have cracked this German ECU. No piggyback things going on here. They've cracked the ECU, so they've reprogrammed it to up this car's power. Now, other than that, nothing has changed on the car, nothing at all. Same thing really. You got an 8-speed automatic gearbox, all-wheel drive. The car weighs in at 1780 kilos. The price of the car starts at £77,000, though obviously if you want to tune it, you'll have to pay Wrench Studios some money, though they haven't confirmed that yet. However, if you're interested in this car, put a link to Wrench Studios YouTube channel in the comments below, and you'll be able to see the development of this car and other things they're going to be doing with it, because it's going to be really, really interesting. I also want to say a shout out to Connor. Now, here's a chap that sorts out loads of cars for us. So I'd like you to go to his Instagram and follow him there. Please do this, because it'll help us get some more cars off him. So make sure you do this. Do it now, in fact. Right? His Instagram account is Connor150. So like C, then Connor150. Obviously, someone else came along before him and took Connor 150, so he had to go for Connor. Maybe I shouldn't take the mickey out of him, because he's really useful to us. Make sure you go to his account. Finally, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this, and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. Anyway, that's enough of that. Let's get on with the racing. Don't know why I said it in that voice. It's weird.
Buying a new car? Then head to CarWow, and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. CarWow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
Now, before we drag race, I'm going to do the customary CarWow sound check. The reason is I want to prove that this car is stock. There's no like tuned airbox or exhaust on this. It's just the same as that one. So I'm going to rev it up. See? Same. Fine. Good. Oh, I don't know why I said same. You haven't heard that one. I've had too much coffee. I'm so annoying. I'm actually annoying myself. Thanks for sticking with this video. Rev up that standard M3 competition all-wheel drive. Same. It's all the same. Good. Okay, let's just get on with the race then.
3, 2, 1.
He had me off the line because I had a crap start. Frickin' hell! Hell! Sorry about my language. This is brilliant! Oh my god! If you get I'm so excited. If you get an M3 competition all-wheel drive, get this done. No ad. Hashtag no ads. Okay, so I had a shit start and I beat you, and that car's quick. Oh, can I do it again?
Yeah, go on then, Matt. I was about to, get all wax lyrical about how brilliant this thing was, forgetting I'm lined up next to a car exactly the same, but with 90-odd extra horsepower. This is quick, but that is something else.
Oh. Sorry for the sex noise.
3, 2, 1.
It's more like it. Yellow, you're right.
There was a moment there where both these cars were just traction limited, and I thought I was hanging on to you because I didn't get the best start that time, and then you gave me a little bit of hope, and then you just snatched it away. 600 horsepower snatch. I feel gutted.
A 600 horsepower snatch. So then what exactly happened? Well, the tuned M3 won, completing the standing quarter mile in 10.7 seconds, while the standard M3 took 11.2 seconds. Now we have a rolling race with the cars in their most efficient, comfortable settings, auto mode for the gearbox, just chilling, you know. Let's see how this tuned car copes with a kick down when it's suddenly surprised that it needs to overtake. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. I mean, look at this. It's a half mile. This hesitated a little bit. You seem to take off a little bit quicker. Maybe you pushed the accelerator a bit quicker than me, I don't know. I think I might have even been in 7th gear. Oh, we've got the gesture control just doing something now. Stop. Anyway, what gear were you in when you started pulling?
Sorry, Matt, I don't know. I was just staring resolutely at you to make sure I wasn't jumping.
That's fine. Let's assume we're in the same gear, similar cars, same speed. Should be fine, right? Let's take that confusion away. Let's do the other rolling race. This time we're rolling racing in sportier settings and manual mode, 3rd gear. 3, 2, 1, go. This just bloody picks up like crazy. It's making me swear, this car. Sorry to all of you watching with children. But this thing's fast. I think I've got a bit of a problem. I need to go and probably see someone, have some therapy. Right, last thing. Sorry, I forgot to ask you something then, Nick. Let's just go through the motions. You lost, didn't you?
You ask like it was ever in doubt. The only way I was going to win that race is if your car just decided I'd rather have 3 cylinders than 6. That thing is absolutely ballistic.
Now, a lot of people might be going, why do you even bother with this race? You know, tuned car versus standard car, it's pointless. Well, I just want to show you the difference that a simple stage 1, just an ECU remap on this car, can do to its performance. You know, it's interesting, right? You a car person or not? Huh? Now, let's move on. Why am I doing that? Last thing to do, brake test from 100 miles an hour when we reach the line, full emergency stop. Let's see what difference the fact that that car has carbon ceramic brakes on it and this has steels does to the braking. I know a lot of you going, it shouldn't make any difference. It doesn't improve the performance in terms of stopping on one single occasion. It's like longevity of stopping performance over and over again on track, but let's find out anyway. Let's just do it. Here we go, 100 miles an hour, brake. Now. That is so close. I mean, he did win. Was it the carbon ceramics? Was it the fact that he was just a little bit quick on the brakes? Was it? I don't know. We don't know. I'm going to go with the fact that the carbon ceramics do give you better stopping performance, even on a single stop. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Is that correct? Any engineers watching? Let us know. I'll read your comments and I'll then speak the truth in future rather than just getting things wrong. I think I'm right. Anyway, if you haven't done so already as well, please make sure you follow me on Instagram @MattWatsonCars. Thank you very much.